Hello, myself Baldevram Mali, lecturer Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Topic of my e-lecture is escaping, quoting and IO redirection in Unix. Subject code CS303. In Unix, meta characters like asterisk, question mark, bracket, dollar, backslash, single quote, double quote, semicolon, ampersand, parenthesis, pipe, caret, less than, greater than, etc. have special meaning to cell. To remove special meaning from these meta characters, we use backslash in front of these meta character to escape or remove special meaning of any of these meta characters. This process is known as escaping. Sometimes in many applications we have to remove the special meaning of meta characters. For example, uh, command echo in double quotes, the cost of computer is backslash dollar 1500 will display the cost of computer is dollar 1500. If we not use backslash just before the dollar, then uh, the special meaning of dollar is used and this output is not produced. In the next example, we use the arithmetic expression expr 5 backslash asterisk 4. This value of this expression is assigned to variable n. In this expression, we use backslash just before the asterisk. To remove the special meaning of asterisk and asterisk sign work for multiplication. So in this case, it performs the multiplication. Result is stored in variable n. So the value of variable n is displayed 20 in output. In the next example, to display codes in output, command is echo to backslash s complement. We use backslash just before the single quotes to print single quote in output so that output is 2's complement. The escape remove the spatial meaning of any single meta character, but many times we have to remove spatial meaning of multiple meta characters. In this case, we have to use backslash many times, so this process is lengthy and time consuming. To solve this problem, quoting is used in Unix. The quoting in Unix is also used to lose or remove the spatial meaning of meta characters. There are three types of quoting: single quote, double quote, back quote. Single quote is also known as strong quoting, double quote is known as weak quoting. Because in single quotes, spatial meaning of each and every meta character is removed. But in the case of double quotes, spatial meaning of some meta character is not removed. The single quotes is used to lose or remove the spatial meaning of all the meta characters enclosed within single quotes. For example, echo In single quotes, ls asterisk greater than slash temp slash file question mark. In this example, within single quotes, there are three meta characters asterisk greater than and question mark. Meaning of all these meta characters is removed. So in the output, ls asterisk greater than slash temp slash file question mark is displayed. The double quote is used to lose or remove the special meaning of all the meta characters enclosed within double quotes except meta characters dollar backquote backslash dollar backslash single quotes backslash double quotes double backslash. So double quote is known as weak quoting because it cannot remove the special meaning of these meta characters. For example, echo in double quotes we write your home directory dollar home question mark. So double quotes remove the special meaning of question mark but cannot remove the special meaning of meta character dollar. So value of dollar home variable is displayed in output. For example, your home directory is slash home slash Sumit question mark. In this, special meaning of question mark is lost, but special meaning of dollar is remained, not lost. Now we take the back quoting. Shall treat characters string between back quotes as a command and execute it. That means anything written in back quotes is treated by shell as a command and shall execute that command. So the back quotes is replaced by output of that command. For example, echo back quotes pwd. In this example, pwd is placed within back quotes. pwd is considered as a command and it is executed. So in the output, echo command display the path of present working directory. In this way, we discuss the three type of quoting: single quote, double quote, and back quotes. Now we take input-output redirection in Unix. First, we take the output redirection. By default, output of a command is transferred to standard output device monitor. But sometimes we want to store the output of command in a file. So we can redirect output of command to a file using output redirection operator greater than. For example, $ls greater than out file. In this, output of ls command is transferred to file named out file and not displayed on monitor. If this out file already have some contents, the output redirection greater than overrides them. To avoid overwriting, we use append operator, double greater than operator, in place of output redirection operator greater than to avoid the overwriting. This append the contents like $ls greater than out file. This command append the output of ls command to the out file. So previous contents is also preserved. Then we take the input redirection. By default, a command takes input from standard input device keyboard. But sometimes if we have input data already in file, then we want to give the input from file. So we can redirect input from a file using input redirection less than operator using following syntax. Dollar command then less than input file. Now value from input file is transferred to command as an input. Okay, in this way we discuss the escaping, quoting and IO redirections used in Unix. Okay, thanks.